Break ID number 5491. 2015-16 black gold basketball 1-box break. This one was one that we moved from tomorrow to today because it sold out, so we'll also move the dual bounties for this one. The 1 of 1 and the top row PC team bounty. Go. Uh-oh. Anybody have the Celtics as their PC team up there in the top row for 150? Wow, thought for sure. Topps Finest Baseball for tomorrow has 5 left. And we'll do the same thing with that one. Move it to today, move the bounties to today. Kevin Love. Kemba Walker. And it is expired, but we can push it through. It's close enough, and I do have a contact. Black gold signature hollow gold Jabari Parker. That goes to, in 2015, the Milwaukee Bucks. So that is Adrian PR. And 3-color patch shadow box to 25, Joe Young. Pacers. Adrian PR. Joe Johnson. Jordan Clarkson. Jersey to 199. Bradley Beal. Washington Jody KA. Jersey auto to 199. Tyus Jones. Minnesota, Adrian PR. And last card, jumbo jersey to 199, Andre Drummond. Detroit, Adrian PR. All right.